Alright, I'm ready to do some finishing now. So the material I'm using is this stuff right here. And I have 3 coats on everything already. So I went ahead and sanded everything with super fine Scotch-Brite. I put 3 coats of finish on everything already, and then hit it with super fine Scotch-Brite. So I'm ready to put the final coat on right now. This should be the end of the finishing portion of this project. So it's water-based. So a big shout out to my friend Dan for suggesting it, because I told him that I was stuck inside because of the weather, and because I won't use the oil-based material inside. And he said, just use the water-based, you'll be fine. And I'm very familiar with this material. I totally forgot about it. So I actually had some and already, and I was able to do the back and the underside of this and the underside of the base with the old material, and then this fresh material is what I've been putting on the front. So this is the 4th coat. I'll let this sit for probably 2 days, and then I'll assemble everything and start making the preparations for installing this in the final location. Wrap this project up. Oh, and I also wiped everything down with a tack cloth after I hit it with the superfine Scotch-Brite. That's a must. You have to do that in order to remove all the dust and whatnot, especially on your final coat. I did not sand in between coats. It really didn't raise the grain that much. So I put 3 very thin coats. Very happy with it. Comes out nice and flat. No bubbles. No major defects. I started using this finish in the late 1980s, probably 86, 87. I think at the time it was by Minwax, and it was called, I believe it was called Diamond Finish, and I think I used it on some oak floors, and it was really, really good. Really easy to apply, very forgiving as far as the application. There's no odor. It's water-based. It's safe. So you're not gonna like blow up somebody's house with the fumes. You know, you don't have to worry about the ventilation, the toxicity. You don't have to worry about kids or pets or stuff like that. It's not dangerous to use at all like the solvent-based stuff. And I think I remember it was pricey. But being somebody at the time that wasn't really, you know, a person that did a lot of finish work with these types of materials, it really fit into what I was doing at the time. And I have used it on furniture before. I think the only thing it doesn't really do well is protect from moisture, so I wouldn't use it like on a kitchen table or a coffee table or something like that, something that was subject to abuse or moisture. You probably wouldn't want to use it on a floor that had, you know, like a growing family with young children, because kids can rough up a floor. And pets, dogs can rough up a floor. But if you've got a small room with a hardwood floor and you have a small family, this is perfect stuff for it. Cleanup is easy. I just run the brush under warm water and dish soap and clean it out until all the soap and all the finish is gone from it. You'll be able to see that pretty well under running water, warm running water. And that's it, you just let it dry. And if you're recoating in the same day, then just use some paper towel and blot the brush. Make sure there's no moisture trapped in it before you use it again. You want the brush to be dry. That's it. All right, everybody, stay strong. We're getting to the end of this project. Thanks for coming along. Have a good day.